Mo amafre bebre say Abrokyire Nkomo mo fi say bia me so me Kazayon train ho da bi me wo multimedia ha ya dwumadie no aha ya na ebe no the whole Ghana obi ane ho no ye Abrokyire Nkomo ni bi che aha ye ma common ne mo 30 minutes go de mo de bebre mo ene ye behwe no ma miensa eye China anam senior owo krom ha odna dwuma akwawe fie mienu one ye betre krom ha okọ ye betie enkomo a one ye di ya ode ko ene said eye MFA minister eye ayokobotwe honorable esoso edija ne kwan ye betie hoso saso na eye special flight ochina e be free ha akọ Europe German memu Ghana fo a omo Abrokyire memu omo be stranded wa ha Ghana for or be stranded or more crew. What be that? We be on the crew was why stranded. That means we be close no there in the crew of a so call Naja or Koy BB Kakra or no the Befie. Almost so no or more flight or China in the B2 you be free payina or down on so abichim. Sasuna yemianum you almost so abo muhu eja or US memu. Munim de see demonstration costs say or Binum afa advantage e was a demonstration no omo bunko for shops any area no money Ghana for maminu omo bie big be fan say aha ye be kan say be kra de menka say drugstore and as big pharmacy pa big crab mo be pictures ni na ene mienu omakobu ani asemu no ma wi adom be so be wi na na hwe se de siko wi ase coronavirus ya abai e de sesem nam na so ne be ne de di kan se dem si kan ye no China nam sinia owo krom ha abegina Ghana adi ne dwuma bebre 2 years enra na ode ne dwuma ebe wiye as a rep to Chinese country no ti ye papa enra eno ne maame ayokobotwe honorable eko transe edin komo yentie ye papa se eja oba krom ha o say Ghana there to be honest 2 years ne kesama no na minim ade a otie eno hu ye a wo kasa yentie de ye papa e kaye.
Your Honorable, I was informed by Beijing that I will complete the tenure as the ambassador to Ghana and scheduled to go back to China in late June. My term in Ghana is 2 years. That is normal. My previous term in Malawi as ambassador was also in 2 years. I'm very sorry I have to leave, Your Honorable. I love Ghana. I love Ghanaian people. Anyway, as a diplomat, you have no choice, and coming and going is normal. At this moment, I must say, working in Ghana is the most beautiful memory in my life. Even though time in Ghana is short, about 2 years only, but I cherish. It's slightly more than 2 years, but I cherish a lot, especially the friendship with you, with your honorable and honorable deputy ministers, and I could be able to carry out this glorious mission as ambassador to Ghana. It is
Asempa94.7.
Honorable, and I enjoy my life and my work here in Ghana. I'm deeply grateful. In the past 2 years, the China-Ghana relations has witnessed a strong and fast development. The achievement of bilateral relations is outstanding. As the ambassador, I'm very proud to say that our relations are now at the historical height and the best ever in history. If you could allow me to elaborate a little bit on the bilateral relations, His Excellency the President Akufo-Addo paid a state visit to China, and His Excellency our Vice Premier visited Ghana, and Your Honorable. In addition to that, the two countries, we support each other on the important international and regional issues. Secondly, economic cooperation. The outcome of China-Ghana pragmatic cooperation is very fruitful. In the past 2 years, there are so many projects rolling out between our two countries. For instance, the 1,000 boreholes, the phase 2 of the University of Health and Allied Science in Ho, and the Sino-Hydro projects, the upgrading projects for 15 vocational training schools, the economic development zones, the Jamestown fishing port complex, and the other 10 fishing ports, and also including the annex building. Your Honorable. I was informed.
Said the papa a China nam senior and the Juma Aquarian all seeing the upper soca say 2 years no na kunya bika ho a na kenwan ba as a diplomat said the city are 2 years and na owie ne de na obekọ na Ghana de kwan a ye ne de tra na ni age na opega na Asempa ne bio so no eye kroimi no Ghana ne China no mpuntunuma bebre ho no mo a omode omtibo mu apam se omobeye no bobo bebre eye fishing harbors ne normal bebre akwan ne normal Ghana ban no mo atenase aye na eye ne ya so oja ha akọ na so no esi funtum na se funtum ehwane a ni nchira na ekọ yentie ye maame ayoko botwe so de ono so editor nanim.
I must confess that when your predecessor was leaving, I was wondering, with all the work that she did to enhance and strengthen Ghana-China relations, I was wondering who is the replacement, who can fit into those big shoes. I am happy to let you know that you are the one who replaced her, because you have acquitted yourself so well in this job that you've done for the last 2 years. And so my thinking is that the government of China attaches a lot of importance to Ghana, and therefore the best of ambassadors are posted to Ghana. In your 2 years here, the relations have seen already relations even more strengthened. And as a result, several projects that we are experiencing now, the implementation for many, you've enumerated quite a number of them, are for all to see. And we are very happy to know this. At the political level, I think that, like I've said, a lot has happened that we are all very proud of. Economically, I'm very happy to note that today Ghana is number 7 in terms of the China-Africa economic relations in trading. So we're very happy to note that, and you are the number 1 in terms of trade. So it is a good thing, and we hope that whoever replaces you will continue with the good work that you've done, because we all know that there are quite a number of projects that are in the pipeline that we're working towards. And one of such important projects is the Sino-Hydro project. And it's a project that we believe will move the development
Asempa94.7FM
of our country
94.7.
Tamale interchange, roads, just a few of them, and to also bring to the fore the importance of projects like the London Beach projects, the Jamestown one, and others. So, Ambassador, I believe that China-Ghana relations has seen leaps and bounds. I must confess that when
94.7.
Asempa 94.7. Yebeko ahomano so na ye ne ye nua bema Kwaku Kwaku Apia ono ewo Germany na omo na etimi akeka omo ehwa boom etimi abefa Ghana for my stranded omo akru open ye mo akwa abadoba Asempa 94.7.
Jiboso etia Ghana for so nyina
Ghana for Jimoso na Germany ti say na Europe ti say
boko bibia ye correct okay only say social distance and niama mo ye no Ghana the same thing so na said obi ankonya ya de bia
and okre we are seeing na tidy papa to na Ghana ni de edo stranded e woni krom Ghana ke onu se ka mo na my stranded e wo no ho a ba mo se Ghana for stranded e wo Ghana mo be fa wo makọ ade ha nyom krom
ya no kro omu kro but ebinim ba omuja omuyire wo ho omuja omuma wo ha omu ebedi be 2 weeks pe omu adwuma ene omu rent ene niema bebre a omuja ne ha no sei so ho endi yakra no ne ye first we ni say ye boa German government ye force German government na wa ba be fa omu because omu tia tax wo ha And the other or my name no say Sanema name maso. This are one funny pabia umabio. And the kaya and say, Yaveka, Yahuan boom, nature say, Yakofa or Maba, because someone may say, Hapa the bre. Oma soon a disika coffee, Obia Yajuma 30 years, or has a no abedi Ghana 4 years, or 4 months, or Bebani a unity. I feel no copper Juma, I can a money way, nay, I can't who boom, yes, Romanums okay. Sana tia dia yango pa luple ni bimra yenye beti aka near the abagana abe fire no mapa
yo dem asem de na okay na say Ghana for more Germany hon kwa na say me ka say me wo Europe group so to say Italy and Holland and Belgium and other European countries ni bia metimi e de me ho omo nyina bi ka ho ana
no kra ye de koto Germany embassy wo Berlin animuno and no catch say yetimi fa obi oti Europe krobia so our work permit wo staying permit and our citizenship bia omu nyina timi fa plane bi nti omu bedru ha na omu fa aluplane no train and bus eco omu country and say Holland no beko Belgium no beko Italy no beko Denmark no beko eno enye problem nti de ye be kura no we asim se nipa 3 Efrima omo beko Belgium. You will be 2 biswa omo ko Austria any different countries.
Na sanko for you na say come return ticket any year. And no na mo de be form na say omutua.
Return ticket no. Nya ne de be form omutua because return ticket no mo de buy no. Airline no every 4 weeks bia na o ma twere omo say oh montwen munche oma dada omo sa se omo mo particular time bia omo beba ena jema wo mra bi se so wa wutimi fa kwan bi so ba krom ha ya return ticket no ese airline no refund ma omo enti omo mpese omo ye refund sa omo refund ma omo nti ena omo dada omo se next 4 weeks ya dada bi mi sa be 4 months ni
sure aya de pa enti don say ochina no tambe na flight no ebetu anase ba bedu ha ebetu ochina ebetu Ghana ye present 7:45 anyumre na bedru Düsseldorf anopa 6 there's a normal time na mutu free Ghana no to say anyumre na ekona na makodru anopa no let's obia akọ be obeko na say mo ye bebre ante say mo kwa mo betima sa be fa biwo na because nipa no bebre ene wa ha
ya mi nchawa no ya crowd and ye see enye bio but ye nya pressure from embassy no ho Ghana ni ambassador of the German side senye nipa ni nyina na ka omutimi yetimi fa omo saying ye fa I think 74 yeah be 180 enti be braka ho enti say yansa
Asempa FM 94.7
endi anoso ye guso say ye wie we na me ye sure say ba o mi second one be ba within 1 or 2 weeks time enti Mr. wa obia wate no because ye we na adwuma no dawso ye nyina yeah, Juma, and at the same time, you organize it. The easy job. But you appeal from all corners. Said there should be another flight.
Okay.
From this one, the airco is saying to me, second one, a better nipa, every Germany ha. The Germany ni European countries in Ghana, Obiswa, or bar business with ya compared to Omoko Ghana or man local. They are no better nipa free, I say, near the Omaba. Na befa oma free Ghana so peje na ino abano no de oma ba sa de pese second one
yo emre se mo no se de osika no ye be di ho nkomo akwa achiri because ye nyan bebre enu ba kokra wo Italy chese bia bia me friend no se eso contact mo na bibia ni a mo so de na ba na ni business yakọ ache wo Ghana ono so business wa na no de nti se de osika no
exactly
number ben ananse hefa na nipa no website ben okwa obehu se mo yes registration ni wo ho Ghana ha
me number they ring me with me the tuja so only across with it when they nya association be ya to wha ye website we say
okay
ye no community for na
telephone
conference and you decided say okay nti we WhatsApp group via we ni mo person ko bia na do aka ho na je say we discuss it on that group no so but me the number na mo be your person here me the better groups no so be just want to take it part
yo na bo number no na obi tia no aye yi
also a German number the German way 0049 176 21845
CCBO
0049 176 21845 Kwaku Apia
yo obia uti ebia so nua bi na waka ba bia anya se wawu waka kuro bi so no pese oba Ghana obetima kosi wo mo so no aba saa so na wo ha no wate a nua bi na obusuani bi a waba waka no ono so ka kire na ono so betima kwa hu wo mo na adwuma no ehu hia ye da se bebre opanya apia ye be ka sa kire
that is okay yeah that is some eta near to na kan asema kire that's me bre why okay
what me da mo so bye bye Asempa94.7 ye be call ye be call ye nuanom a omo US and no so say dem kan ye no demonstration cost we nyina ma omo pharmacy shops a omo bie and no so say dem kan no amafo aborum akose omo no ma wia wo omo pasa obesi akwantinfi edie na omo woka ye no mba bedi nkomo aha ya Asempa94.7 musofo Kwaku Amankwatia akontajo na dem kan say dwumadie esi eye Ghanaian German Center omo ne Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations for now so na de omo kan say so o akwantuum titru Germany muteni Germany for say o ye Ghana ni o asetena ewo Germany usua de ewo hokra na asetena na wo ho a akwanya bia ba say omo ma business idea for development startup business cash bi wa kasa true proposal nefa koma omo na sika omo de be ma 5,000 euros na wo de aba beboa wubusuani bi a ono oni no business proposal abo pese mo de hye adwuma ase mo adwuma no so dada na pese mo tre adwuma no mu a sa kwanya no so ewo ho eti wo Ghana ha na adwuma no se de sitie no wo pesika asha na mu ahye mu kana amana ye kese a bomodian se oni Ghanaian German Center for ebe kasa no mo de wo website ese wo kọ na akọ registration ni wo ho no na wo Ghana ha untimi apply wo Ghana ha ese wunya wunu a owo asetena wo Germany ho o ye Ghanaian na onu mienu de apply for sika benya no 5,000 euros eno na omode be mam na website no simon.de/ATML na when nyina tintin no chese ade no emuwa website no wa ntino the best ya be ya say obefre number ya meboboy Ghanaian German Center for number na ofre omo ebeboa omo number na 055 675 8518 and 055 675 8516 number ni Mrs. Subio 055 675 8518 and 055 675 8516 na omude website no ebema na odi ama wunua owo amanone no German krum enye Holland for ne wo Ghanaian usua de ho ana wote ho ye adwuma wo na betima kosa website wo no akọ apply na ni nyina ne sa proposal no ebe free Ghana ha na odi aba no mo hu say wo oni abre deto subio sede meka yenkwa homa no so na ye nua no ma ewo US no eni nkomo omo na Yeko. Openi Majo. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, but some near now say Jem.
Okay, where Jermaine?
Jermaine, it is saying
Nyamiadumo now.
Yamedia Che Jermaine. You Jermaine na o second name and also o surname near say
Tando.
Jermaine.
DAN. Yes, DOH.
Okay, Tando. Okay. Ura Tando. Right. Yeah, akwa je be say moku ewo boy bi so e dia pe bibia ba fie. Mo brim moja ani. Dia tumu e pese mo che e magana for e ma obi ate de aba. Ye wo pictures wa ha no mo. If you say nyemo a e bi so eyemo a e bi so agana ni betime bi shop say. E no kre se mo bi pharmacy shop e wo eye America memo.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I no crap. Say be a pharmacy shop. Bronx, New York.
They say. This is say. Jermaine, who do you know Bronze?
Yes, me dey know Bronx.
Okay, me ma Sami also so me mo akwaba.
Yeah.
Yo, Sami also do you know ewo Krubeso?
And also bronze.
And so Bronze. Yo. Enti Bronze for na di mawusa no.
Anio.
Jermaine, ebane saying Ghana foot you.
Okay. If me start to say some now or maybe friend Uncle Sam. Sabi me back home hano. Only na share me make I say only man me juma first year ukromo a. Enti as a training am ko mu nyina eni nyansa me nya ukromo nya metima ka say most if you know. Enti make us oye like oye me papa esa me of. Enti Monday nyumre
Asempa FM 94.7.
just say mas anopana mas sorry no. Ana madam for be sending me pictures be. Say idea e kosoni. Into sending me picture na me who say me Uncle Sam ne pharmacy shop ana just say for ebu ano akuram. Timi who in fact me yamushem. Ejama me sorry gidi test no. Anka me bi say then e kosona we hu the cost now. Just testing me back, I say yes, it's true. I just want to cry or buy shop or and I'll try so best stopping in Kofono. Now so no more doors no. When to me, I'm prevent your more. I would know more, you know. A Jimmy cried the American himself, median important and come home. A Jimmy the Abubuana woman, I'm not first on only shops no. I just say, oh, more yes, sir. 80. Me wana will be so frame. Say, oh, material, but I'm so dead number. I am say, me shop na I confirm be bueni ya. O ma se sabi piako. I'm oh how? 80 wana ija me meet in New Jersey. Inti me dream ika na me buy. Me buy just say, no cray. O mo day, o me bu metal gate, you know. A pipe glass, a rem. As afa de omo betima fa omo wie ya se ndro na omo mpena so a omo se no mo titia so TV e bo ho a te se obi ba ha ye hu nkofo e ba nwe nyina omo de ade aboma papai air condition so omo papai no glass a sebu nema wom te se omo papai no safe ye kipu sika wom omo tam save no e de ko nti asoma mo tie ni de no crepa.
Wow. Uncle Sam.
Eja.
Say the Obakasa ye, wo fast kasa ye, wo die so ebani say.
The opening no I don't want to repeat myself and chief ones so I don't want to bore them with information. But Nina say maybe my point normally my point me stores no pharmacy store no Jermaine me offer Jermaine me the na 4 na 2 and the war concourse. Two na a conform elu two in your woman. Said the Jamaica di Cancano. Or me, my duck, me will fear, and organic need or tip building in my stone wall. And from the Uncle Sam was stolen a year boy, you know. A far pen and me jump me through me cap, my name is Boy, 22 years old, a far baseball bat. Near did me go to car. I was driving 100 miles per hour to get to the Bronx. Mente Bronx. It's about 30 minutes away. I contact you do hope. Now just on my room, said the Jamaican, on iron gates now, but glass in the room union. It means me body you will my pet. No more dreamy cat. Omni Johnny, if we saw her. It's almost any free store when I'm the Banu Gina gate. It's almost a year pen on my samba. Now, my banner says, this is our store. This is our. I have a video of it. Into a bar. No, I'm called. Extending enough in a hand. Baby, part 20. And my banner says, da, where do you know? And we are on the Queen. And she said, yeah, already no more said into Yanko. Police force, police for New York police agent a store no go and so because for the doors they couldn't do anything. And I made a minimum buy. You could to your car no cry to get out of the Bronx, the area where they were. It was very difficult. But Nyamia Daruma, if you hope any bear fear.
Hey, Uncle Sam,
you know, you fear maybe one employee is so friend. He said, Uncle Sam, they're going to another store. It's a say the end of your mom yet your person. And yet, therefore, your more Marty or Ghana, whatever has been reported already, and Okrepa, you need what we can do to stop it. But Yamiada Roma, you say a bit to me about back. We are trying to. We've cleaned some of the stores. Hopefully, by end of next week, we will get our stores back and start doing business. Jermaine said your kind, or no friend me or test him, and no limbs and the store no cry. Yabuno. It's Michian and Opa. I didn't see an Opa Tuesday and Opa. And I'm saying, now, all friend me now, news also the and Huacana. And I say, Uncle Sam, I didn't know. See, you know, we've gone through it, we've cleaned it. Neighborhood funded by the boy in my cleaning in but no more my far corner there. Nadia and Sabeka.
Oh, if you said, how much?
Each main store, you know, Baku, probably about 500,000. That's the smaller store. The bigger store, which inventory in Yoma Masako is about $800,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
It is Kenya Ubano. It is Kenya Ubano Casa da Yankwa and Kaubijano.
And that the Krana said they're no more threatening, you know. To me, I at one point I said that Oma saying everything, but me bano no say that you know it's not worth it. Let them take whatever they want to take because it's already destroyed. But me bano and I said da young coffee, and I mean no you need 2 car coffee.
They say bibi di ubanechi sunsun bi kasa che ke yesa hwe aka ombeto ahye mo akra mo so ekum aka ho.
Na for that idea what you do almost 10 years to build.
Yeah.
And because also reach you shouldn't have because life is worse than what they are taking. You shouldn't even have come. Oh, I was coming to do what I can do to stop it.
Stop it. What we need to do, baby, Uncle Sam. Nipa na mienu kura ba kura ese udwane o na nipa 20 na almost outnumber mo na wo ye etine se
akonta
ohene
akonfo de omo kura no so yesu akonfo dwane obi anta ne so yesu ho a ye ka say this our store this so nipa be take omo nyina dribika every so mu dwane but that door no ma say no entinya dia kebetimi alo kuna ake loko no.
Right.
But no much say I don't get no. It's comfort here. Only to me.
And great.
Because we are more than it. They get strength through the group.
Yeah.
No,
open yeah, I could dream, we be say me hope me who the missing because be sure and no matter do said okay. In just said no way they be good. Yen store bi wa ha kra friends ye clinic bi wa ha Jacobus Academy for kra nya yen sick baby Kenya we kura gu ho kra nke yepe no kofo atiatia so asɛ no
my son.
Yep. Mama Titia so.
the nyamia se mutin kwam na mum se da wo kan mo ho ebia na insurance ni ayi ya na si Ghana for mo ta dodge insurance mutimi insurance there.
Well, that you see, that is what everybody says. Oh, I hope you have insurance. Of course, we do have insurance. There's nowhere the pharmacy business is regulated by the state and the city. You cannot even operate without an insurance. No insurance company will even contract with you without it. We do have insurance, but it's not about insurance. It's about serving the community and having a business continuity. Though we will get some of the loss, we might not get all, but we are not in the position to even serve our loved customers now. You know, insurance, of course, we all have insurance,
right.
But it's just the fact, the stress and everything that we're going through and what we've lost. That is really what is causing all the stress that even we have. I contact your one Kofua, your be maintenance medication. Kofua almost insulin 1 day.
Yeah.
Kofua more diabetes.
Yeah.
Kofua more heart attack.
Yeah.
Every day they have to take their medication.
Asempa FM 94.7.
It's about life. It's about saving lives, helping people to live healthy.
Right.
And so, because we don't know what is happening to them. It's about business continuity. It's about serving your customers who have been loyal to you.
Right.
But somebody who has no sense of anything, will just don't think anything, will just come and destroy your business, which you have used years to build. It's not easy to build business in America.
It's true.
Especially pharmacy business. It takes effort, it takes money, it takes time to get loyal people to come to your store every day.
The moya kakrakai nyina ho the question be twa so no. Obi obusa say, iti the moya no ho kakrakai a wo kan Ghana hantumatima bia ma yeso so a yeso so no ye betima nya bia no.
Okay, me foster home already Ghana. As time goes on, the task send it in draw and Nyema eba boa and colano. As now, me won collaborate each every we say university 4 hours. And it's through this business I can say and I boa at least Sanko Nina the mechanical.
Foster home never here for.
I was just so business.
It just so business. Yo, a dinner that's your day.
I have Rose Foster home.
Rose Foster home.
So, yeah, made it to my grandmother.
Right. I to say a year Juma. Yo.
A year Juma.
Yo. Uncle Sam, so there been ya me busa now must be busa say. So the motimi I invest or hono. What my invest be or Ghana?
We are in the process of Debiano. Yes, so we'll see a chinya or one it has been my vision to come and invest in Ghana, set up a big pharmacy to help. Apart from that, we have other pharmacies. I won't mention names. People who have pharmacies in Ghana are Muba, Free a Hokoton Ghana, Omodeboa Ayarefo, and no Muntiminian or Baby, Omuba, Yabuam, even though we're not supposed to do it, but we are able to help them to get in Rome here, Omoshobakoton, Omdeboa Ayarefo Ghana. I have a vision to set up again a big pharmacy to help the Ghanaian community, the Ghana, health sector, and do the best we can. The same way we are helping people here. It's my vision to do the same thing in Ghana. Hospital be in Nobia, Ebia Yentimi, you should be Omoma Yehu, said Bibi or I betting Yababuama. You will be willing to do that. And yes, Kankwana, Nipa also DHC. The mom so to me, boa, Unipa, Unia, and also to me, boa. And see, a cheerful tia, go through a contact. If anybody asks for a request for anything, just let me know what we could do to help the Ghanaian community. Why? In Ghana.
Aside ya media that they were a pa ye nuanma omoda dialysis so omo nya a kidney problem.
Right.
Na eno de edin manipa bebre e wo krom ha. Adwumasem e wo ho de na so ye do to so unya kidney problem Ghana ha de ko odin papa. Se no so no mo bepe e ho bibi aba be ye ho NGO bi na mo de aboa ye nuanom bia e be ye de.
Nyame wo ho. Ye be compile bom.
Right.
Ye da se bebre. Na wo be se munchi de di kan they say wo Jermaine wo hwa wo nchi free de be adweso area ho no.
Right.
Adweso krobey.
Me fi bisiase.
Adweso bisiase.
Yeah, just bisiase.
Oh, Kev mu ho na wo free. Oh, na so de esu kese na wo free ho pa esu kura da ho kura de be onim ni din. Mimisa. So da ho no Oda River no ti you dey just na opanyin so Sam
me chipa free abomosu bench bi.
Oh, abomosu hey.
Yes, name Oda na tete mi nti ubusam se me free here me free achimo Oda.
Achimkwa onum bremu na ye milk no say aye bonvita o say dey.
I know.
Nti ojai obeba benum kakra yo. We dey ye bedam ase na ye be mamo shedding. Say ya na enim say ye nuanum bebre no mo pagya mo ho akosoro sa ene yi. Ye nim say abrofo no shops na bia omo wiewia wo mo ne yi. Say Ghana for so e ho aka wo. Emu mienu ene omodi nkomo edwumre eye onua Jermaine Tando ena onua Samuel eye Obin. Omienu ekuta big pharmacy shops ewo eye New York Bronx at say no makasa. Na ye hu pictures ni office abrofo yi bi. Say Ghana ni esoso dia. Nti ye koy kotodwe ni ma ye mompa ye ma omo maka na ye nti omo ka no say ombenya kokodo ti say inu no mema imienu no motima gina omo na so na omotima bebo afie epanyfo ye da mase na se no sika ye no de meti bia no mema musoma so ate na mechia ye Okuni Francis.
Thank you.
Yo that's be break. Yo bye bye.
Thank you.
Aha ena ye di dwumadie no ebesi mo amonim obi nimu a obi kire Dr. Boama ewa ha oba ba beto aso na se dem si bu baby no be se funtun ohwan ya ne nchi na eko sa na meka no metwa funtun kuntun ke ne dikan enye f ya kuntun ehwan ya ne nchira na eko nti enuanu mi so mo si aye ho no eso di befie na if sanete ofie enifie ebe ye